What? Oh wow, almost just fell into the camera. What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a banger because we're gonna be talking about the top 3 reasons I actually went ahead and did the lift kit. If you're at all interested, I'm doing a lot of these lift kit videos because I did a lift and I want to help out all the people that I can help. So we're gonna go over the 3 reasons why I actually went through with the lift, and I hope maybe this helps you, maybe this sways you in the direction of a lift, or maybe not, probably not. But anyways, with that being said, let's get right into today's video. Before we do, you already know, like, comment, subscribe. As you already know, 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4. Went ahead and did a Bilstein 5100 front and rear, D-Radleaf OME spring. Let's talk about why I actually did it, because there was a lot of reasons why not to do it, but there was a lot more, at least for me, as to why I did it. And I'm just gonna go over the top 3 reasons to me personally as far as why I did it, obviously. How many times did I just say why? Why? So number 1, because I wanted to. Now that may seem very dumb, very self-explanatory, but let me explain. A lot of people will do things to impress others. A lot of people will do things to make other people happy. This went kind of against that. Sandy does not like how it rides. She's not a fan of the lift. My sisters had to hop in. Sandy has to hop out. I have to hop in. So it wasn't to please anybody but myself. I absolutely love to walk out of a grocery store, Walmart, Target, whatever the case may be, and see my truck standing there on some 285s looking absolutely beautiful. It's like the best feeling in the world to have a lifted truck, not only because it's different, but it's just cool. Although if you park next to like a big Ford, you may want to move parkings like to the other side of the parking lot because they will take the crowd. But lifted Tacomas are definitely something that I've always wanted to have since I was little. And reason number 2, it benefited you, it benefited me. As I started doing YouTube, I saw more and more people asking, are you gonna lift? Hey, I want to get a lift. I don't know what to do. Hey, if you get a lift, can you make a video on it? So many videos out there. I promise you there's so many videos out there. But of course, I wanted to be able to help the people that asked me for help. I feel like I dumb it down so that most people can understand. And that's what a lot of people like. A lot of people appreciate it. Reason number 2 is to make YouTube videos on it because, well, there's a lot of videos out there, but there's not enough videos out there, believe it or not. Every lift kit comes with like tens of thousands of viewers. Not literally, but you know, one person may want a Bilstein 5100, others may want 6112s, and another guy just wants a rough country spacer kit. So every market has its own thing. And well, with Bilstein 5100 being like such a large market, I kind of wanted to jump in and help people out. You know, kind of one of those things where like, if I can do it, you can do it too. Number 3, it was capability. Capable both on-road and off-road. Off-roading, I'm not a insane off-roader, but those extra 2 inches is what gives me a little bit more confidence when I'm off-road. But also on-road, you know, just as a safety precaution, if I was driving, right? I'm driving, looking right at you, you're on the other side of my windshield. And I look to my right and I see a big pickup truck, my Tacoma, big pickup truck. I'm gonna be a little bit more alert. I'm gonna try to stay away. If it's just small car, they tend to not pay attention like it's not there. The reason I say that, I was in an accident when I was younger, kind of messed with my head a little bit. So now I just think, okay, if you're gonna crash into me from the backside, you have to eat like all of my bed. Or if you hit me in the front, I wanna be a little bit taller. Obviously, if it's like a 18-wheeler, or something massive, well then I stand no chance whatever I'm in. But just in everyday scenarios, it's best to have this. I had an SR5 that was lost to a deer accident, but I was gonna go crazy. Like after those 2 incidents, I was like, okay, I need to get a Toyota Tundra, I need to have a supercharger on it, and I put steel bumpers all the way around and a roll cage all the way around at all times with like death spikes coming out the tires and wheels. And then once the, you know, the stress levels went down a little bit, my budget started to kick in. I realized that I shouldn't nor could I do that. Yeah, we went with the Tacoma. So just a little bit of height for on-road makes me feel a little bit more, you know, higher up, makes me a little bit more aware of my surroundings, lets people know I'm there. But also off-road. I like to off-road a little bit, slightly, kind of a little bit. So when I do off-road, I'll be good to go there. Let me know if you guys have any other reasons why you went with the lift kit. I think I covered everything. I like it. I made informative videos off of it, kind of, sort of, but also it's a lot more capable. A lot more. A lot of people do them for like overland builds. I am not an overlander. I am a stay at home and make YouTube videos. Or with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.